Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Munisha. Today we are making Gajar Halwa, also known as carrot halwa. This is a very popular sweet dish all across India. So let's get into this video. For this, here I have taken red carrots 1 kg. After cleaning and peeling, it comes up to 830 grams. Using a grater, we are going to grate these carrots. I am using this big hole and we are going to grate these carrots. Be careful with your hands while grating. Now our carrot has been grated. Now let's prepare carrot halwa. Here I have taken a heavy bottom kadai. To this I am adding 4 tablespoons of clarified butter, also known as ghee. Once the ghee melts, I am adding the grated carrots. So hey friends, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to to stay updated with all my latest videos. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. So once I have added all my grated carrots, I am going to combine this well and we are going to cover and cook this on low flame for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and our carrots are cooked perfectly. I am going to combine this well and you can see it has been reduced to half. Now after combining, here I am adding full fat milk, half liter, which is 500 ml. Now we are going to combine this well and we are going to wait until the milk evaporates completely. But you need to combine continuously in between to avoid the milk from burning or sticking to the kadai. And keep the flame on medium. Because we are using full fat milk, we don't need any mawa or khoya in this recipe and it is going to taste very delicious. And this sweet dish is mostly prepared during all festivities and especially during winter season and even during any celebration we prepare this sweet dish. So as you can see, the milk has started to evaporate. Now to this, here I am adding granulated sugar 250 grams. Now I am going to combine this well and let this cook until all the moisture evaporates from this halwa. Until you can see the clarified butter on top of the halwa. So we are going to continuously mix this and again this is going to be reduced to half. Still you can see the moisture of the carrots, so you need to continuously stir and let this cook for some more time. And now you can see the change in color. It has started to turn more of orangish red in color and the color has started to darken a bit. Now you can see the clarified butter started to release and the halwa looks perfect. Now to this, here I am adding some roughly chopped almonds 10 almonds. To this I am adding 15 cashew nuts which I am cut into half, and few golden raisins. Now we are going to combine this well and cook for 2 more minutes on medium flame, so that the dry fruits get lightly fried and turn little golden in color. After 2 minutes, our dry fruits are looking slightly golden in color. To this I am adding half teaspoon of cardamom powder, also known as elaichi powder. Now I am going to combine this well and we are going to switch off the flame. And serve this gajar halwa hot or cold as you like it. Please do try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon. And please friends, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing, delicious and easy meals. Thank you for watching.